Hello dear students, welcome to YouTube channel Learn with Gisela. In this video we shall be taking few questions based on parallelogram. These are the three questions which we are going to study in this video. Now in first question, one of the angle is given to us and we have to find the remaining angles of the parallelogram. In the second question, two adjacent angles of the parallelogram are given in ratio, that is 1:5, and we have to find all the angles of the parallelogram. And in the third question, we are given the exterior angle of the parallelogram and we have to find all the angles. So in a way, all these three questions are different from each other. Now let's start with the first question. One of the angles of the parallelogram is 75 degree. Find the measures of the remaining angles of the parallelogram. So given to us ABCD is a parallelogram and let angle A is equal to 75 degree. This you can see in the given figure. Now we have to find the remaining angles of the parallelogram, that is angle B, angle C and angle D. Now let's start with the solution. Now since AD is parallel to BC, as they are the opposite sides of the parallelogram and they are parallel, so we can say that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Since co-interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, so their sum is 180 degree. Now further we shall substitute the value of angle A, that is 75 degree, which was given to us. So we will write 75 degree plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Further, angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 75 degree, which is equal to 105 degree. Now, since opposite angles of the parallelogram are equal, we can say angle C is equal to angle A is equal to 75 degree and angle D is equal to angle B, so it is 105 degree. So clearly we can say angle B is equal to 105 degree, angle C is equal to 75 degree and angle D is equal to 105 degree. So with one angle given to us, we have found the remaining angles of the parallelogram. Now let us take up question number 2. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio of 1:5. Find all the angles of the parallelogram. So given to us ABCD is a parallelogram in which let us say angle A is to angle B is equal to 1:5. And we have to find all the angles of the parallelogram. So now let's start with the solution. Let angle A be x and angle B be 5x. Now since AD is parallel to BC, as they are the opposite sides of a parallelogram, so they are parallel, we can say angle A plus angle B form co-interior angles which are supplementary, so their sum is 180 degree. Further we shall put the values. So x plus 5x is equal to 180 degree. Further 6x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 180 upon 6 is equal to 30 degree. So x has come equal to 30 degree. Now that we have got the value of x, we can find the measure of angle A as well as angle B. Angle A was equal to x, that is 30 degree, and angle B was equal to 5x, that is 5 into 30, 150 degree. Now since ABCD is a parallelogram and we know that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, so we can say angle C is equal to angle A is equal to 30 degree, angle D is equal to angle B is equal to 150 degree. So this is how we have found the measure of all the angles of the parallelogram with the help of ratio. Now let us take up third question. An exterior angle of a parallelogram is 110 degree. Find all the angles of the parallelogram. So given to us ABCD is a parallelogram and exterior angle, let's say angle CPX is equal to 110 degree, as you can see in the given figure, and we have to find all the angles of the parallelogram. Now let's start with the solution. Exterior angle CPX is equal to 110 degree, that is given to us. Now further angle CPX plus angle ABC form linear pair, so their sum is 180 degree. Further we will write CBX as 110 degree plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. So angle ABC is equal to 180 degree minus 110, that is 70 degree. So angle ABC is coming 70 degree. Further now, since AD is parallel to BC, as ABCD is a parallelogram and we know that the opposite sides of the parallelogram are parallel to each other, So we can say angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree as they form co-interior angles and they are supplementary. Now further, angle B we have already calculated in part 1 of this question, which came 70 degree. So now angle A plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Further, angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree, which is equal to 110 degree. So over here angle BAD has come 110 degree. Now since ABCD is a parallelogram and opposite angles are equal to each other, so we can say angle C is equal to angle A, which is equal to 110 degree, and angle D is equal to angle B, which is equal to 70 degree. So just with the help of an exterior angle, we have calculated all the angles of the parallelogram. So hope you have understood all these 3 questions. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day ahead.